Tilia taarifa hiyo na kukujuza hapo baadaye, lakini kwa sasa tuzamie hili ambapo mamlaka ya ustawi wa serikali IGAD imetoa wito wa utangamano miongoni mwa vijana kwa lengo la kuimarisha kanda hii. Katibu mkuu wa IGAD Daktari Woken Gebeheyu amesema vile vile kuwa vijana wanajumuisha 70% ya IGAD kote katika kanda hii. Gebeheyu vile vile alizindua balozi wa kwanza wa IGAD atakayepigia debe masuala yote ya mataifa ya wanachama.
To the member states and to
We are working on women, we are working on peace and security, climate change and other issues. When we are talking about these issues, these agendas nationally as well as in regional level, it's impossible without, the participation of the youth. Not the participation, a very significant contribution of the youth.
One of my key interventions is that work closely with the Office of the Executive Secretary with its support and guidance to ensure that the voices of the young people are being discussed and put part and parcel of the IGAD programming frameworks, but also the member states who are members of the IGAD are able to actually rectify and adopt some of the agreement and implement in partnership with the youth within their country.
When we talk about good governance, it's not because we want to use the expression as a fad. It is because it is the best way of harnessing human, natural, and material resources in the interests of the growth and development of the member states of this region and the region itself.
Na mtazamaji, kufikia hapo